Hello, everybody. Welcome to my post. My name is Carlos Orozco. I am an English teacher. Today, I'm going to speak to you about how to use simple apps online or on your phones to practice your pronunciation. A lot of people use different kinds of apps to translate when somebody from other countries speak a different language. They want to translate it into their own language. And sometimes you or a lot of people translate texts from a book or from a magazine, just to understand what it says using translators online. Today, I'm going to show you how to use this kind of translators to practice a very important skill in when you are learning a different language or second language. I'm talking about using Google Translator, for example, to practice your pronunciation. Let me show you how you can do. So in this case, you can see I opened Google Translate to practice my pronunciation. The first step I'm going to take here is to write the sentence I want to practice. For example, I'm going to write here. So I want to improve this sentence, how to pronounce this sentence. So what I first do it, I write it on there, and then I listen to the pronunciation. Let's listen to it.
I want to practice my pronunciation.
In this case, I can listen, and also I can practice exactly what the machine says. And so I have the chance to practice different times, several times. I want to practice my pronunciation. I try to imitate the intonation, the way they speak. Let's listen again.
I want to practice my pronunciation.
If you notice, the second time is also slower, so you can listen and practice again if you want. Let's do it again.
I want to practice my pronunciation.
Yeah, the third step, the second step in this case is I can practice what I heard, and then I can record my pronunciation. Google Translate is going to transcribe what I say. For example, I want to practice my pronunciation.
Quiero practicar mi pronunciación.
So you can see that it writes what I say, and also give a translation into Spanish. Well, this is great if you want to practice. Why not? Why not trying this interesting tool to practice your skill? There is another step you can do is recording your own voice, and I can use, for example, a very simple instant message application. For example, in this case, I'm using Telegram. You can use WhatsApp too. I'm going to record my voice to compare the pronunciation from the machine and the pronunciation of my own voice. I want to improve my pronunciation. I can listen again what I'm saying. Let's do it again. I can do and listen to my own voice. Practice as many times as I want. I want to practice my pronunciation. I want to practice my pronunciation. So as you can see, we can use these kinds of tools to improve our skills. Why not give it a try? Let me know if you have a different app to practice your pronunciation. I want to see that in the reviews or comments. Everybody, thank you for watching. See you soon.